Hello, it's Joan here, back again with another form of visual art. If you're new here, you're most welcome. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for returning. Well, today's video is a little bit challenging for me because I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone. I'm trying to make a multicolored portrait. If you've been watching my previous videos, you must have seen that my portraits all have the same colors, like, meaning that is my comfort zone. Like, I'm always doing something of that kind. It's a little bit easier for me to do this or do that or not to do that, stuff like that. So I'm trying to get out of that zone and just try in like different colors and see how it really comes out. So let's just find out if I really know or if I don't.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need.
Thank you so much for watching this video until the end of it. If you liked it, please thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below to let me know if I've won or if I've lost. It's okay. And please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. See you in my next video. Ciao. Hello, it's John here, back again with another ouch.